Hey there, this is Naya from neofrAme Lab, and I'll be showing you how to create your profile once you've subscribed to the community. First, click on your avatar in the top right corner and go to Settings. This is where you'll set up your basic info. Start with your bio. This is your quick title that appears next to your name. Keep it short and clear, something like AI Filmmaker or AI Creative Director. You've got 150 characters, so make every word count. Next, add your location so clients know where you're based. And below that, you can add your social links on your website, Instagram, LinkedIn, anywhere people can find more of your work. Now let's create your actual talent profile. Head back to the community feed and click on the Profiles category. This is where all talent profiles live. Click Write Something to create a new post. Start with a title, your role, like AI producer. Then structure your profile like this. Your tagline, one line that sums up what you do. Then a short bio, who you are, what you specialize in, and that you're open to work. List your skills, be specific. Things like AI video generation, prompt engineering, post-production, motion graphics. List your tools, Runway, Kling, Midjourney, DaVinci Resolve, After Effects, whatever you use. And finally, what you're available for. Commercial projects, brand films, social media content, product launches. Now here's the important part. Add a link to your showreel or portfolio. Click the link icon and paste your Vimeo, YouTube, or website link. You can also attach images or files to showcase your work directly in the post. Hit post and you're live. Now what's interesting is that your profile isn't static. You can update it anytime in a very easy way. Simply edit your post to refresh your skills or bio, or drop new work in the comments below your profile. So say you finish a project next month, just add it in the comments, and whoever follows you, producer or an agency, any employer will get notified. Your profile keeps working for you even when you're not. Your profile is now visible to brands and agencies browsing the community. The stronger your profile, the better your chances of getting noticed. So take the time to make it shine. Welcome to neofrAme Lab. Now let's get you discovered.